good morning, guys. What's up? How are we doing? We've got some new non-copyright music to play through stream, so hopefully it's a bit better than what it used to be. But guys, how are we doing? It's Tuesday this morning. We are blessed to be here. Gold moving rapidly this morning already. As I'm busy watching these charts, I'm just seeing how gold is moving. But without further ado, guys, let's get straight into these charts. Let's see what is happening for us this morning on gold as well as pound yen. I see pound yen did break out of the area that we spoke about, but let's quickly run through gold and then we'll have a look at pound yen. All right, so straight off the bat, guys. Okay, first of all, I think this might be a bit too loud, right? Mark, just let me know on the music volume how that is, but I think it should be fine. But okay, first things first on gold. Gold absolutely tanking at the moment. So let's see what's happening. First and foremost, we are at the QP level. I do want to mark our current daily low, but it's obviously going to be moving as we are literally driving to the downside right now. QP is also by that same current daily low level. That's a 4-hour zone for me. Also, I do have a possible scenario in my head that I've been looking at, but I want to see how market reacts off of this QP level of 4,000, as it is a psychological number as well as a whole number. You're also in a range high at the moment. So there's your range. You are currently sitting at that high. So where price right now is definitely a decision-making point right now. So let's go to that 4-hour, see what price is doing, continuously making that lower lows and lower highs within the candlestick anatomy itself, as well as the market structure sentiment, which is bearish. The simple idea for me personally is going to be, already I can see on the 4-hour, we've got resistance on the left, we've got support down there. This is essentially a range. I want to see, do we start rejecting this area and start longing off of that region, or do we actually close beneath the QP level and I simply just trade range high to range low? We can already see what's happening. Let's drop down to the 30-minute. 30-minute actually closed beneath the level of dynamic support, but when I looked at the trade, because it's actually something I wanted to execute on before stream because it looks so good, the way we closed that 30-minute being Maribosa just null and voided the trade for me. Even though we opened up, made the bottom wick, then made top wick and re-broke lows, I just wasn't comfortable with that also being right at that QP level. So for me, it's very important to see how we react off of these areas right now. So I've got in my current daily low, but like I said, we're right by that QP, so I'm actually not too phased with that. It's more so going to be the idea of what can happen on the lower time frame in order for me to then continue my positions. So I'm actually going to go ahead and mark in 4-hour areas based off of previous data, which will be the liquidity high over there and liquidity low over here, and then I have a mid-level right here where price is right now. So this will be a mid-level. This can be a target area for us that is obviously looking to trade possible shorts. Then I've got my range high, and then range low is down there. I'm not going to mark it, and it's just going to clutter my chart. So I'll just have that as my QP level. Panning over to that 30-minute. I just want to adjust the levels. So the 30-minute is pretty much the same area that it just broke away from now. So I'm just going to tweak this 4-hour to be there and have it like that. Then 4-hour lows will be like this. Okay, so to be quite honest with you, that's going to be my only two zones on my charts at the moment. I've got QP, I've got current daily low, I've got 4-hour level of demand as well as 4-hour level of current supply, which is also going to line up to be my 30-minute level of supply. So panning back to the 4-hour and the daily, I just want to give you guys the idea what I'm looking at this morning. So if I look overall on this daily, right, I can clearly see that I'm in a zone of liquidity. Remember, my weekly and my daily is bullish. Okay, so just because price is driving to the downside does not mean it can continue. Yes, it can, but it doesn't mean that per se. Because if I look to the left hand side, here's liquidity there, there's liquidity there, we're currently trading beneath it. So I've got a resistance point, I've got a support point. This is what I can use as a confluence to say, you know what, if we start closing beneath the current daily low as well as the QP level, I can then understand that the daily is more than likely going to trade the range high to the range low. But that is if the daily closes beneath. As we are standing right now, this can also be a deeper retracement into daily liquidity of that 4,000 level to grab that liquidity, reject the area, and continue its drive to the upside, as that daily is bullish. Okay, so that is what I want to identify on that that daily. Once I pan over to that 4 hour, this is the zone that I'm speaking about right now, which is current daily low, quarter pip level, resistance on that high, to either close beneath the QP level and continue further down, or reject and I long it off of the area. To be honest with you, I love the idea of price grabbing liquidity right now, closing above that 4 hour zone, which will also be a 30-minute area, as you can see over here. Once it engulfs, it's going to be a type 3 setup with a type 2 style execution. So once you get that closure above, I simply wait for that retest. Once I get the retest, I look to long the position. So there's two different scenarios that can happen for me on gold this morning. It's either going to continue that momentum off of that 4 hour, continue driving further. The sells for me can only happen here at the moment, unless we have the scenario of yesterday, which I actually made an Instagram post about yesterday. So if you haven't seen it, go watch it. Is simply identifying once liquidity is grabbed. It's something that I mentioned yesterday. MFX members got that set up after we jumped off of stream as well. I mentioned that to them, that we could sell off, and price did sell off on gold, which was quite nice. And then I also made an IG post about it on my Instagram. If you don't follow it, go follow it now. We do post some nuggets there as well on both the pages, the lifestyle page as well as the educational page. So the idea for me right now is to see if we can start closing beneath. If we can start closing beneath, I'm going to wait for my closure, wait for my retest, and wait for the short. But what I saw prior to me hopping onto stream right now, as we've closed beneath, I saw it as a Maribozu. I understand that in liquidity is a sign of reversal. Then we currently have market grabbing liquidity over there and now starting to drive us back above that level of support, which is right there. So instinct tells me, off of my strategy, if we're going to be closing engulfing like this, I'm simply going to wait for an engulfing close, next candle to pop down, grab liquidity, and once it does so, I'm going to be looking for longs on the position. So closure like this, next candle, grab liquidity. At the flip of the candle, I look for my longs to drive to the upside. We have 3 minutes left. Let me actually just get my cell phone so I can get ready for this position. Because this could happen in the next 2 minutes. So if we get a close now at 9:45, once again, this is not financial advice, just purely my trades, boys. Based off of my 9 years of experience, I'm going to be looking for gold longs, right? So depending on how the candle close will depict whether I'll be taking it at the break of the high or the flip of the candle. So far, it just looks more comfortable for me to take it at the break of the high. So the setup is going to be looking something like this. So it's going to be looking something like this to long, and then obviously I have that 60 odd pip stop loss for something down here. Now if we close somewhat around here, I'll obviously take the trade earlier. Okay, so that is my idea on gold. It's relatively straightforward. I love the buys, but what I need to see right now is closure above. I love the idea that we've grabbed liquidity off of the current daily low as well as the quarter pip, then immediately starting to golf on the 15-minute. If we can get a close above the level, I will take the trade at the break of the high. I'll tell you exactly when I take the position, but the way it's looking right now, it's either going to be a break of the high or the flip of the candle. Once I get the confirmation, say for example we close right now where we are right now, I'll wait for that candle to give me the bottom wick, and as that candle flips, I'll then look for long positions to stretch into that 10 pip zone, as well as give me the solid wick fill, which could be a very nice play this morning. We got 20 seconds over here, so I'm just getting ready for my trade over here, and let's see if 10 is 10 today. I need the close, I need the bottom wick, I need the flip of the candle, then I can get involved. Okay, so close engulfing, bottom wick, flip of the candle, and then I can get involved. So this might be a quick one. Don't blink. There's that 15-minute close right there. I need this candle to pull down as it is right now, and then once it starts to break its high, I'm going to be looking for longs, right? So quick one over here. I'm actually going to add in buy stops at the moment on gold. So buy stops for me is going to be 40, 12.38. Okay, So 4012.38 is my buy stop. I'm going to have a 10 is 10 obviously at 10 pips because that is always the plan. So TP1 will be right there. Oval TP will be the wick fill for me. That is 29 pips. That's all I want. Obviously can extend. I'm not too phased about the extension. And then my stop loss is going to be 60 pips on this specific trade. TP1 will be here. And then TP2 will be there. This will be my quick ripper to the upside. If this is the case that the price does decide to flip, it does decide to tag me in, and then obviously I will then look for that position. So guys, I've just been executed on gold longs right now. Entry, as I mentioned, was that okay guys. Oh shit, that is crazy, boys. TP1 hit. I actually got slipped and I just closed everything there. So let me just check my slippage. I got slipped by a pip and a half. So entry was actually here. No. Entry was actually there. There's my TP there. Actually not that bad. 16.3 pips. That's a very quick trade for me this morning. I'm not going to complain. I like that a lot. This was a bit of a quick session, I must say. I mean, we've been on stream for 16 minutes. I've given you guys my gold breakdown as well as my trade for the morning. And that is me done for the day. I can't complain. Drop a W in the chat if you caught that position. Absolutely stunning. We've got 50 viewers right now. Please do hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. And then, shit, boys. This is just how we do it, man. Beautiful, beautiful gold longs caught right now on stream. There we go. Lekker. I actually haven't posted one of those clips in a while. But, yeah, chat. Let me know if you understood that trade. I actually got slipped today. I got slipped 1.5 pips, which isn't bad. I still got over 10 pips. I got 16.3 pips. I can't complain about that. But nonetheless, boys, that's TP2 if you decided to hold a bit longer. There's your TP2, 26 pips. And to be quite frank with you, once we see these setups for something like this, we should tap the 40.25 right now. But obviously, you know me. I'm a scalper. I just want my 10 is 10. And I've eaten for the day. We've got liquidity here, so price could reject. But once she clears that, it's tickets. From the lows to the highs. Perfect MFX strategy. Okay. What's happening in the chat? I don't even know if I greeted you guys this morning. I just saw the trade. Just thought I would break that down as quick as possible for you guys. Damn. 10 to 10. 10 to 10 and we got our 10. Morning, Smack and Miles and the rest of you. What's up, Dylan Hansen? Hope you like it, brother. Another day, another 10 is 10. Yes, sir. Rian Foster out. Beautiful stuff, boys. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. Boys is eating. 13 for me. Brilliant, Rian. Danko Miles. Now I can buy my wife a nice anniversary gift. Happy anniversary. 10 in the flash. That's why I tell you guys, don't blink. Don't blink. If you blink, you might miss the trade. L to slow internet. Yeah, I think that's the benefit of being an MFX member. You get access to the Zooms. So there isn't a delay. I must stop trading. That's number 4 for the morning. Hey, Cameron, bro. Stick to your discipline, my guy. Don't overtrade. Lazon Ross, that's my biggest win so far. Please do share those results to the MFX chat. Let me see that. Brilliant stuff, though. I'm proud of you. Knowles, what's up, bro? The 10 is 10 account didn't even load. Quick sticks. MFX all the way, 100%. www forward draw. Ooh. I was busy setting my stop loss when it just closed in TP. That's the best. That's the best. If you blink, you missed it, 100%. TP for breakfast is like a... No slippage on Zooms. Join MFX today, 100%. Thank you, Miles. Gotta go at work. Cheers, Carmen. Have an awesome one. Alright, chat. Chat, that's it. That's it. Flate, what's that? Flate Mysterious 8. I've done what I came to do. Fluffy cat, but I only traded 0.01 lots. Look, at the end of the day, lot size doesn't matter. Wherever you are on your journey, that is where you are, you know? With your trading 0.10s, 1 lot, 10 lots, 100 lots, it doesn't matter. Everybody goes through the journey. So don't be too phased with the monetary value right now. Just focus on the education, focus on your progress, focus on building experience within the market. At the beginning of your trading, it should never be about the money. The money comes regardless. If you do it the right way and you focus and you put in the time, you educate yourself by going through a right mentorship process, and you actually acquire the skill, the money is inevitable. I feel like a lot of people have their fall down because they focus on the money too early in the beginning. Just focus on the education, bro. Level up your trading. The money has to come. It's almost like going to gym every day and not expecting results. Bro, if you go to gym every day, whether you're eating clean or eating dirty, your body will change. 100%. So as long as you are consistent and doing what you're supposed to do, you'll get there. Okay, just keep your head up. Damn, what a lack a day. Done for the day, one and done. That's how I like it. One and done. Hey, Jordan, what's up? The man is talking true words. Now listen, 100%. 100%. Chat, do we have any questions regarding the trade? MFX members, let me know if you have any questions regarding the trade. MFX members, it's bootcamp tomorrow night. Hope you guys are ready. It's going to be a flippin' fire session. It's going to be a fire session, boys. Was busy setting it. That's beautiful. Shot Owens, I'm leaving my desk now before I trade again. Enjoy the day. Enjoy it, Cameron. Cheers, brother. Man, should stream on YouTube Shorts in and out to the back. Yo, my sessions is always short. I mean, we're done 9:15 already. Because I always mention, like, it's the whole point of trading, right? Isn't to really just sit and watch a screen, but to do what you got to do and then carry on. A45 perfectly. Nah, the best is M240i. M240i puffs. The longer you're in the markets, the more emotional you can get. I agree. I definitely agree. That's why I limit myself. Whether I get the trade or I don't get the trade, an hour and a half to 2 hours per day on the charts is all I do. It's all I do. But yo, chat, I'm gonna call it a session over there. We did what we needed to do. So yeah. Good morning. Could you do a quick recap of the trade? It happened so fast. Just rewind the stream. Rewind the stream and then you'll be able to see everything I just mentioned. If you really pay attention, like if you guys pull up to my streams every day, whether you're an MFX member or you're just a viewer on YouTube, if you pay attention, you will see that this was the exact same trade as yesterday. You just pay attention. It was literally the exact same trade as yesterday. So what am I getting at? When I developed this strategy 6 years ago, nothing has changed. And that's how it should be. If you find something that works and has made you money and that has proven to you that it's consistent over the long period of time, you shouldn't be doing anything different. You shouldn't be getting a new strategy every month or trying something new every month or doing this or buying this bot or buying this indicator thinking that it's going to save your life. It's not. You need to find consistency in a set strat and stick to that. That's why this is the same shit that I've been doing for 6 years. When I started trading 9 years ago, I was a swing trader, made money, but it didn't suit my personality. The way you trade also needs to suit your lifestyle, your personality. And what suited my personality was in and out of the markets, compounding my accounts. That's what really suited me a lot. And that's when I did the transition. And I developed my own strategy, which I now use and obviously showcase to you guys and how I do it. So I'm very adamant about that. Find something that works. If it's not broken, don't fix it. Obviously, as time goes on, and this is why being able to understand these markets is such a beautiful thing, you can obviously adapt, and that's when Type 5 got introduced last year. So it's nothing different, it's just addition. So it's an extra point of execution. And I personally feel like Type 5 is the boss. Type 5 is the absolute boss. But yeah, I've seen it all in the industry, boys. 9 years in the game, I've seen it all. What stays is what you find consistency in. That TP was so quick, bag secured though. I'm glad, my brother. Bullish engulfing closes above the key level, give us a fake out to the downside, injected QP, took big full, 100%. Hoop may indicate. Hoop may bought. Yeah, hoop them. The coolest part is I was focusing on the setup before getting on stream, was looking at potential shorts. But then the Mariposa closed and that liquidity grab switched me immediately to longs. I love that. That means you are paying attention in the course. Well done. Which is more fun to drive, the A45 or the M240? Definitely the M240. When I came back to PE and I got back into the M240, I was like, look, the A45 is a nice car. I really enjoy it. I make a noise with it. It's nice. But you can't compare the two. Even though it's an AMG, boys. BM will always be BM. But that F45, yeah, so it's a full Remus exhaust on it. So it's pretty much a straight pipe right through. KW suspension. It's really nice. Car is very nice, I won't lie. It sounds mental actually, but the power that my M240 delivers is nuts. I actually did exhaust on it 2 weeks ago. It's just, yeah, you can't compare, bro. You just can't compare. Man, waking up Sea Point, man, dude, your brother. Night and day. Night and day. Real drive, 100% real drive for the win. I was telling a mate of mine yesterday, I really like driving a car where if you fuck up, you could die. That sort of vibe. You know, there's power in the vehicle, it's real drive. If you mess up, shit can happen. With a four-wheel drive car like the S3 or the A45, they're nice, but I mean, kind of boring. Like all it can do is launch control, make fart sounds. They handle nice in corners, don't get me wrong. And I'm not a person to drive slow. But yeah, it's nothing for a real drive BMW. People checking the weather app for the thunder when you go past. Crazy. How do you want journal a setup like this, a type 3 but a type 2 entry? So it's going to be type 3 because the main one is that it's a reversal trade. So it's type 3. Okay. So type 3, it was against structure. Structure was bearish. We understood the assignment as to why. Got my confirmation as a type 3. Executed. Gave gold a hiding once again. 6-cylinder all the way. 100%. All right, chat. Do we have anything else you guys want to ask questions about? Because I think I'm going to call it a session there. I mean, it's 10 o'clock. Oh, by the way, London only opens now in the next 30 seconds. But I guess God has blessed us once again today and we are done for the day. But yeah, if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. If you want to join myself and my members every day on live stream and level up your trading the way I trade, check the link in the chat. Michaela just posted it there. Also, if you want to use the same broker that I do to avoid massive slippage, quick withdrawals, check the link that Michaela also just posted there. Thank you, my mod. Register an account, you guys can trade. There's actually some nice bonuses at the moment. So check that out also. There's a score to something competition as well. So there's some nice perks you guys can receive also. Check you at Burger Palace. Nah. No. December's like around the corner, dude. I'm done with that shit. It's only chicken and steamed vegetables until next year. Okay, boys. That's me for the session. Thank you so much for your time. Tomorrow, same time, same place, 9:30 GMT +2. We'll be back on stream, slaughtering it once again. Today, I hope that you guys have learned. That's the most important thing. But other than that, trade smart, trade safe, don't overtrade. You're done for the day. You can go relax now. Okay, chat. I'll see you tomorrow. God bless.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. Going with the gut, never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet. Hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up. You can have it all, watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella loved. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging, we going come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. It feels diamond from gold. Maybe you are something I cannot define. Maybe you are the fallen kind. I lay in bed with violence, the silent side of me. We see where fire starts to breathe. When I would lay in silence, the voice inside of me made me lose my mind right.
We're gonna burn it down. Burn it down. We're gonna burn it down. Burn it down. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker.
Show them. Change the station with a new shit. Show them. Change the station with a new shit. Change the station. Change the station. Change the station with a new shit. With a new shit. Change the station. Change the station. Change the station with a new shit. With a new shit.
Turn toward me, and look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. And underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire glows. You are ready for a different kind of life. Shining bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. Shining bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky.
Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to walk by. It has been a year and now I'm living on the line. It has been a year and now I'm thinking what's mine, that I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Eat faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out.
Take the wrong and you make it right. Like a firefly, you're glowing at night. So don't make it hard, don't let me go. I wanna hold you tight when you're cold. I'm waiting for your love, you just keep me hanging on. I deserve to stay, and I will find my way. I will find my way.
Fire makes the city look so bright. Close your eyes and just stay tight. We have to go. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will relieve us. Stay with me. Stay with me.
find your way back home. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown.
past.